I'm gonna be playing Angry Birds. Angry Birds. I have done a bit levels, but today we're gonna do some of them. So let's wait until they go. Now? Now. What about now? What about now? What about now? What about now? Yeah. Let's go. So yeah. Okay, let's play. So let's do first level. Chuck, I'm really sorry, but you're not into this. Yeah, I kinda love Chuck, but today we're gonna play this part. This time I'm not gonna use Chuck like normal, like when you usually play it. Oh, you do. Well, at least we beat that. That was so easy. First level done? Cool. Let's get all these. Let's get that. Okay. Okay, let's play the next part. So yeah, we're gonna play all the way to the castle. Next level. Yeah, I'm gonna play the next level like a game pro. Not you, screen. Kinda hate this with that head. Oh, he has money. Kill this guy with the money. Anyways, I never saw this guy right there. I never saw him in the last one. Let's kill him though. I don't have enough money, but he's have to give me money. Give me money. Oh, I got all this money. Let's end this thing with a boom and a boom. Yeah. So if you guys like games, you really like my games. So yep, this is the game. So guys, leave a comment. Who's your best character? Red, Chuck, the Blues, Black Bomb, or Matilda? We're gonna skip all these levels and we're gonna actually go all the way over there where I used to be. Right here. We're not gonna do all these levels today. We'll do them next time. Then I'll do next. Oh, he's the king. Oh, what he done? What does he do? I'm gonna kill this guy really fast. Wow. He's really strong. Wow, he's really strong. I'm just gonna say he's really strong. Let's kill him really fast. He only has 2 hearts left. But I think he's a crybaby. I'm gonna give this dude red. Oh, that didn't give none. Oh shoot, red is dead. I'm just saying, oh, he's not. Let's end this with it. Oh, now red is dead. Red is dead. Oh, he's dead. Uh-oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's crying for no reason. But he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Yeah, we got our 2. Give me all this money. Money. So thank you. But yeah. So we're gonna end the video in a few minutes, guys. Guys, okay. Don't be a big whoop. Don't cry. By the way, it's your pal right here. Jasper 66. Why? Let's kill these really fast. Give me all that. Give me all that. Give me all that. Okay. We're finished with this thing. I'm gonna tell you when we're gonna end the video. Okay, that's a bit good. Whoa, we gotta lock something, but there's no choice because it won't let me touch the button. But let's do this. Let's craft something, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Boo. Okay, let's go because I don't want any offers. But we can go and play some games. We're gonna end the video right here. We're gonna end the video right here. Stopping at this guy. Let's kill this guy first, and then we're gonna end the video. Oh, I end too hard. Oops. Okay, don't care about. They're not leaving that. Then he's gonna wear off of his abilities. Let's get that to him. Then they're both are gonna. He's gonna lose a lot of health. Bada bing and a bum, bada bing. Don't need that. Don't need that. Oh shoot! I need to kill him really fast. I need to kill him really fast. Shoot! I need to kill him really fast. Kill it. Let's kill it. Who is dead?